Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you my latest project, my last project this year. Stay tuned! This is gonna take a few takes to show you exactly what I made, but first, yay! Okay, this is not what's normally will turning. I will have this on a Lazy Susan, but it needs to be actually. Yep. Okay guys, what did I make? This is the top, you will see. This is the top and it's gonna be high, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna try to show you everything, how it works. So I'm just gonna hold this right here. So I made a tower and this has 3 little compartments, no drawers, no, just little compartments where you can store, and I'm gonna show you where you can store your ink pads in, and they will fit 4 of these inside. So, and I do have, well, it's upside down, but if you put your name of the ink color on it, then it's very easy to use. So but you also can add other things, of course, inside, but I love how these little compartments are. Then I have one album inside here, and I'm going to show you in a second. I'm just first going to show you the tower. Then if you go to here, there is another place with another compartment places. Love these, so cute. You can store anything inside here, little bottles, tea bags, whatever you like. So cute. Then you go to this side. This side only holds an album. Love that. Look how cute this looks with this charm. Oh my gosh, I love it. This one goes open. Wait just a sec. And then for the last part, I have created a big pocket, which I already add some tags inside, big ones. All right, so love the combination of this lace binding, this crisscross. Love that. So what do you think? Oh, it's hard to show, but this is how it all looks. Oh my gosh, so you can imagine that it will look so good on a Lazy Susan. And I have this one off. Wait, just get it back on so you can peel it off. So I have a Lazy Susan found in a cheap store. So if I put this on, and you will have this on your desk. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it's hard to see on top, but it's so cool. So, let me dig in the first album. Yay! Okay guys, so my first album, the measurements are 5 3/4 And the spine is a 2 by 5 3/4 of course, and an 8 1/4 I guess. Yep. So it's a very nice size. Love the shimmery lace ribbon. Absolutely adorable. Alright, then you flip this open. I needed to have this flat, so here I just have a little cut out tuck spot. Then we go to the first page. I absolutely love this image with all the green, the blue, the purple. Absolutely love it. And then I created a nice tag for the back. You still can add your picture here in behind if you want. Then this opens up. Here I have a little note tag, and then we have 2 tuck spots where you still can write something down on the back if you like, but they are actually supposed to be adding pictures. Then you close this down, then you flip this to the left. Oh, look how cute this is. Alright, the first thing we have a the swing tab. Then you can flip this open, you can add little pictures here, or you can write something down. Then we have a pocket or a belly band. You can still write something here. This is actually the closure as well. So we have 2 little pockets here. And we have a pocket right here. A big one. It holds this one down. And then you can open this on up. And then we have a big pocket. And then this, everything holds is down with this belly band, plus this pocket right here. That's the closure. Let's go to the next page. This one has a nice closure with a big booklet inside with a little tuck spot. Love this image, so cool. Then you open this up. Here we have a little pocket. Then you open this up, and then we have here a big pocket. Love this color combination, absolutely stunning. And then we have a belly band, but then diagonal. Yeah, I thought this could be working, so I tried it out and I really like how this turns out. So I added 2 tags in here. Just fun, guys. It's all so much fun. And then you just can put this back, and then we go to the next page. This you can open this up with this ribbon. So here we have again some wideable, flippable pages. You still can add a nice little ATC format, little picture. Always love that. And a little cut out. And then you just close this back with this ribbon. And then this flips open, and here we have a big pocket. Don't forget you are beautiful. And then here we have a cutout. Could not resist. With these beautiful pages. Love that. Okay, then we go to the next page. A bird to cage or a moth to fly. Never be afraid of change. And then here you have a tiny little booklet that goes in here, and that closes down. Flip this open, then you will have here a little booklet, and of course this one also opens with a little booklet inside. Love the color combinations. And then of course here you also have a nice little booklet. And then at the bottom, 2 cut out pockets. Always easy to use. And this says, in the shadows I find my light. So cute. Let's go to the next page. Here we have a big booklet that holds this one down. So here we have a waterfall, flips up. Still enough space for adding pictures on. and a nice tag at the bottom, and this is a booklet. The magic is you. Oh my gosh, love this. So easy going, the paper colors. Yeah, this was done. Yep, it was. Yep, it was. Then the next page, I love this one, is a belly band. I love the decorations with the ribbons. And then this holds a nice big tag, booklet. Love these note cards. And let your dreams be your wings. So cute. And then this opens up. And here we have 2 pockets with, of course, 2 little booklets. Stay weird. I love that sign. And here we have a nice pocket with another beautiful booklet. And then this opens up, and this is a nice photo collage. So you still can add a nice picture here. In nature, nothing else. Not in nature, nothing exists alone. And I could not resist adding a little tuck spot right here. And then at the end, I needed to keep this flat. I still made a nice little cut out pocket. You are magical. With, again, a nice booklet. Love this. Really love the combination, the color combination. Okay, so what do you think, guys? I really like how this turns out. Still loads of activity, and then in a small album. It's possible. It is possible. 4 nice pages. It looks adorable, don't you think? Alright, and then you just can put this back inside in this beautiful tower, if I may say so myself. And then we go to the back, and here is another album. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we just can take this out, and then we have another album. Love this daggering piece right here with the moon and the moth, and then this piece right here. No idea how it calls, but these daggering. Now I know if you're gonna open this up, this will be in the way, so there is just a very simple way to just take this off and put it back on if you want to. Alright, so the front, we have some decoration made ourselves. Love that this was just a leftover that I had from the top of that box, the tower. And then this is the spine and the back. Alright, let's open this up. And here we have 2 pages. All pages. Okay, let's go to page 1. This opens up with this ribbon, and this flips up, and then you first see a nice little notebook. Just a few pages inside, otherwise it goes way too thick. This goes back inside. This flips down, so you can add 2 nice pictures. You can flip this to the bottom, so it's easier to show everything. Then we have a pocket here with a tag. And a pocket here. And this flips to the side. Here you can add a nice picture. You make it a little larger, of course, to fit. So they are nice photo mat corners, easy to access. Yeah, of course, this I just cut out to create this little tag inside. I thought it would be fun. And then we have a pocket right here with a big booklet inside. And then you can put this to the left. Here is just a simple page right here, but you still can add a nice big picture here if you like. Then we have 4 little pockets. Could not resist. You know I love pockets. Adding this back, and then we have another one. And another little one, but you still can write something down or add a picture on the back, of course. And another one. And then at the back we still have a big place for another big booklet. You are magical. So on each booklet you still can add loads of pictures and writing something down, of course. And then this flips back and then this goes to the left. So here another wideable little flip out, place for photos. And this flips open, another wideable little flip out and another place for photos. Alright, so loads of places. And then this all flips back and closes down with this big one. Just like that. Let's go to the next page. Okay, let's go to the next page. So this is the closure. Nice big tag that opens up. And then you will have, let me first go to the bottom. You can flip this down. And then you will have a nice little waterfall. Love all the images. It's just so nice. And of course at the back you can still add a nice ATC size picture, or you can write something down, your sentiment. Then you have place for photo right here. This flips down as well. This flips to the left. Here you have a nice tuck spot. This flips to the right, and here you have another little booklet. Shine within. That's on here. Oh, and then this flips up again. And here you have a nice tag with place for photos, place for writing things down. And then we go to this side. So this flips up. So here we have our waterfall on this side. Place for photos, place to write something down. This flips up. This goes to the left. Here you have a tuck spot. This goes to the right. Place for photos, place for a booklet. Love this. Flips back, and then this flips down, and then again a nice tag in this pocket. And that's not all, because this flips to the left. Here you have place for photos, let your dreams be your wings. In the shadows I find my light. Here there's a nice little tuck spot. This opens to the right. Here I created a little tuck spot, but it's actually for adding more pictures. Never be afraid of change. I love all the color combinations, but yeah, I already told you that. So that is this page, and these are actually to put this one down. This is actually the closure. Alright, so what do you think? I love this. I absolutely love this. And if I'm gonna put this back in my tower, I'm just gonna grab my charm. I'm just gonna put this back on. If it's working, it is working. There you go. And I am just gonna put that back inside. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with this project. It took me for hours, days, weeks to create this. But yeah, I am obsessed. I really love it. It's hard to show you on camera right here, but I love it. Love, love, love it. Cool. Okay guys, I hope you like this project. I have no idea when this gonna be. Well, it is gonna be online pretty soon in December. My last project for this year, so I'm gonna get the opportunity to say to you Happy Christmas, have a very nice holiday, Happy New Year. I will see you back in 2026, and thank you so much for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, please. That always helps me. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, please do. And I will see you next year. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.